Imagine editing the very code of life. That's the power of CRISPR. This revolutionary technology is changing how we understand and treat diseases, and it's poised to reshape the future of biology. Today, we'll explore why CRISPR is so groundbreaking and what it means for you. At its core, CRISPR-Cas9 is like a molecular pair of scissors. It allows scientists to precisely target and edit DNA sequences within living organisms. Think of it like a find and replace function for your genes. Originally discovered as a bacterial defense mechanism against viruses, scientists adapted it to edit genes in plants, animals, and even humans, opening up unprecedented possibilities. One of the most exciting applications is in treating genetic diseases. Conditions like cystic fibrosis and sickle cell anemia are caused by faulty genes. CRISPR offers the potential to correct these errors directly, offering a potential cure rather than just managing symptoms. Clinical trials are already underway, showing promising results in treating blood disorders and inherited eye diseases. Surprisingly, CRISPR isn't just about fixing what's broken. It's also being used to enhance traits. Scientists are engineering crops to be more resistant to pests and drought, potentially revolutionizing agriculture and food security. But here's a curiosity: researchers are even exploring using CRISPR to revive extinct species, like the woolly mammoth, a truly mind-blowing prospect. Now you might be wondering, what's next? We'll delve into the ethical considerations surrounding CRISPR in our next video, exploring the potential risks and responsible use of this powerful technology. CRISPR's impact extends far beyond medicine. It's accelerating research, enabling new discoveries, and fundamentally changing our relationship with the building blocks of life. It's a tool with the potential to eradicate disease, improve our food supply, and unlock the secrets of the genome. So, to recap, CRISPR is a revolutionary gene editing tool offering unprecedented precision and potential for treating diseases, enhancing crops, and even potentially bringing back extinct species. It's a game changer in biology. If you found this video insightful, give it a like and let us know what other science topics you'd like us to explore in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more fascinating science explanations.